Hi, this is Annette from needlepointers.com, and I am delighted to show you how to make these fun bunny treat bags. If you need a last-minute Easter gift idea, these simple gift bags are perfect. The treat bags are perfect for giving gift cards, Easter candy, or some small items to your grandkids or friends. Continue watching this video to see how to make them. We also have a photo tutorial on our website, which you can see by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. Let's get started. You will need a piece of fabric 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. I used unbleached Ozenberg fabric. You could use muslin, that would be also an excellent choice. A scissor, rulers, rotary cutter and mat is optional, sewing machine, fabric marker or fabric paint in pink and black, and a piece of cardboard. Fold the fabric with right sides together. And we are going to sew along one of the long side and one of the short sides using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. And we are going to back tack or go backwards to reinforce it at the beginning and at the end. And we're just using a straight stitch. Okay, that was the side, and now I'm going to do the bottom. Again, using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Okay. We left the top open. Fold the unsewn side, or this is the side where there's a fold, over and line it up with the stitching. I think it's kind of hard for you to see, but the stitching line, the 1/2 inch seam allowance stitching line, is right there. I'm going to place a pin just to hold it in place down here. Now, from the top fold here, measure down 1.5 inches, and you can mark it with a pencil or something. I'm just going to put a pin to mark that spot. And what we're doing is we're making the rabbit ears. Now with a scissor, you cut from the corner here, but do not cut into this stitching, and cut on an angle down to the pin mark. And you now have the bunny ears. Turn it right side out, and then we're going to go and we're going to press it. And turn it right side out and push out the corners when you turn it. And then we're going to press this flat. Now, I don't think you need to see me pressing it, so I'm going to go and press it, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, I've ironed it. Now, if you notice at the top here, you can see part of the seam allowance. What I suggest is, now make sure that you don't cut into the stitching, but you can cut that off so that it's more lined up with the ears, like so. After that is done, it's time to put on the face. Especially if you're using fabric paint, you need to put in a piece of cardboard in the center so the paint does not penetrate onto the back. So I just put a little piece of cardboard in there. Now I'm going to be using fabric markers for this one. And the first thing I'm going to do is to make an outline of where I want the nose, and then just fill it in. Now kids would love to be doing this, and they can be creative. They can make the rabbit's face any way that they'd like. And then over on the one side, I'm going to make like a round circle. It looks sort of like a cheek. On this side. And you can color it in as dark or as light as you want. And then let's make one on the other side, the same thing, just a circle. And fill it in. Now, if you're using fabric paint and you do this, you might have to leave it dry before you put in the rest of the features of the rabbit, but with markers, I can do it all right away. Okay, then with a black marker, what I'm going to do is put in 2 eyes. And then the mouth. And some whiskers. And the bunny treat bag is complete. Now this is one that I did. Of course you saw me do this one, but I did do another one, and on this one I used some fabric paint for the features. The bag is finished and ready to fill with treats. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to make bunny treat bags. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. Visit our website needlepointers.com for more crafting tutorials and free projects.